How to hide all layers except selected in Photoshop. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So we're going to go through two methods today, and the first one takes a bit longer but it's still very fast, and that is by heading over to the layers tab to the bottom right, left clicking and holding and then dragging up or down. And what this does is you can quickly remove the visibility of layers in quick succession. The eyeball means it's visible, and if you click on one, it removes visibility. So if you click and hold the click and drag, you can quickly remove visibility on many layers at once. However, if you want to hide all layers except selected, you simply hold down the Alt key and then click on one of the eyes. And what this will do is it will hide every single layer except that specific layer. So if you just want to see one layer, hold down Alt, click on that layer, and then you can retoggle all of the layers by doing it once again. Alt click to re-show all of the layers.